Hello my friends, in this video I'm going to show you how I was able to create this logo inside of CorelDraw, of course using simple steps to achieve this, right? So if this looks like something that you want to learn, why not tag along and let's do this together. And at the end of the day, you learn simple ways in which I use to craft out logos for brands and clients. So the first thing I need to do is go to File and click on New, and I'm going to use 7 by 4. I'm going to put in the name here. So this is officially day 2, and if you missed the day 1, you can go back to my previous video to watch what we created. Right, so in this video I'm just going to go straight ahead and click on my rectangle, of course remove the outline, fill it with white like this, and this is what you have. I'm just going to right click and to lock this, so I won't be able to move this around, so it's permanently fixed like this. So let's go on. So prior to now I had my logo sketched, so I'm just going to bring what I sketched out, and I'm just going to bring it inside of CorelDraw here. So this is what I'm going to work in with today. So I'm going to work this to perfection, right? Just the way I want it to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my shape tool to crop this out, those areas I don't want. I'm going to leave this like this, expand it a little bit, and zoom closer. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to transparency, and I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to increase it so I have it transparent so that I can work on it. Right, so what I'm going to be using here is the pen tool. So I'm just going to map out the lines and the lines basically. So click, double click to have a straight line here. I'm just going to move this closer. You can zoom closer. You're seeing what you're doing well. You can see. So I'm just going to create lines for this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I'm going to put this here. I have another line here. You can see from our trace. You can see that's obvious. And I just extended this. So I have a last line. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And position this here. So 3 lines here. And I'm going to have horizontal lines like this. Also, I'm going to expand this just a bit, and I have one here also. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy and paste, and I'm going to drag this here. Of course I have slanted lines, so what I'm going to do is with my pen tool, I'm going to have, I have a last one here, so place this one here. So 3 lines here. So for the slanted lines, go back to the pen tool, and I'm just going to from the outside part here, double click here, just here like this. And of course I have one last one, so copy and paste, and I'm just going to position this one here like this. Okay, it's cool here. So you have everything you need to join here. Now I'm going to highlight the whole outline like this, and I'm just going to make it more obvious, increasing the width, set it to 1. Now the next thing you want to do, this is the fun part. Click here, and you're not selecting the interactive fill. What you're selecting here is the smart fill. So on the smart fill, just click on the areas that your logo is currently. So click here, and the last part here, right, for this place here. So click here. So basically this is how our logo should be if the lines are fitted well. So you can see that I have my logo mapped out, right? So the next thing you want to do is go over to your selection tool, select, hold down shift, select this part also, select this part, select this. When you're done selecting, you can move it out. Make sure no part is left out. Then click on weld to weld everything together, right? So you can see, nicely done, nice lines, and of course angles. So I don't need this anymore. I'm going to delete this also. I have my logo ready. So with this, I'm going to give it the color, and I'm just going to remove the outline like this, right? I might want to reduce it like this. and also reduce it this way. So I have it. I'm going to go to my text and I'm going to type the name of the company. So it's going to be FlowForge, right? So I'm going to change the font to what I used, and it's this geometric, and I'm just going to increase it a bit like this. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the spacing between the text and reduce this just a bit like this, and I'm going to move this here, and group it, and P for center of the page. And guys, there you go, I have my logo ready. Right, so this is how I was able to create this inside of CorelDraw. Stay tuned to my 30 days of logo creation. If this is something you want to learn how to do, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you've not subscribed, turn on the post notification, and don't forget to share, like, and please subscribe.